Hello. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 cup warmers review. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for an hour. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification, and all other important facts. We've tried to select them from the various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Best 5 cup warmers review. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Mr. Coffee Mug Warmer. Reliable and high quality warmer that can be used almost anywhere you like. You will also able to keep this warmer anywhere. Suitable for different types of beverages including tea, coffee, cocoa and much more. The surface of this warmer is very easy to clean and saves your time. Included on /off switch deliver an easy using, and the indicator light also works that inform about the status while it's on. Works with right temperatures that won't decrease the taste of the beverages. The item number 2 is Disney Mickey Mouse Mug Warmer. Works really great, and it's a nice looking warmer which works great for soup, beverages, even candle. It included a mug size of 10 ounces. If you think this is not a high quality warmer, we like to say that you are wrong. Besides being a nice looking warmer, it's also a superior quality item. It works well with ceramic mug which keeps the hot beverages or soup warm. So, it's a great cup warmer that will give you a better experience. As the item number 3 we've selected, Norpro Decorative Cup Warmer. Most versatile warmer that performs really well for tea, coffee, cocoa, and even many other beverages. It has been designed with useful 60/152 cm cord, and the on/off switch make it very easy to use. To deliver an accurate warming, it also made with light indicator. It can be used almost anywhere from home to dorm. Even you can keep it with you while in traveling. The right choice for you, when you are looking for a quality product. The item number 4 is Desktop Heated Coffee. Superior quality and budget-friendly price have made this warmer suitable for all. Proper design with non-skid feet and which prevent the falling of beverages. The power indicator informs about the status of performing. On/off switch provide easy controlling over this warmer. Also, it works great as a wax and candle warmer. You will have each of the mug of tea/coffee with an accurate temperature. An excellent warmer that delivers something more than you expect. And finally, the item number 5 in our list is Desktop Coffee. Suitable for using with the ceramic mugs. So, if you like easy using and cleaning of a warmer, then it will give you a perfect performance. The non-stick surface helps to clean this warmer easily, and the size of the surface is also excellent. Can be used in different places including kitchen, office, bedroom, etc. Compact design allows easy storage. Sturdy construction and continuous heating deliver a precise using. Works great as a steamer to keep the hot coffee heated.